Welcome to Judica County. I'm your host, Taylor Scruggs-Smith, and I'm here with Kimberly Lott, and we are both attorneys with Whitaker and Hamer, your law firm for life, with offices across the state of North Carolina. Today we want to touch on civil litigation a little bit, and this is an area that Kim does practice in. So somebody has been served. They have been given documents in the mail. They got the civil summons with the caution sign saying you have this many days to reply. What now?
The best thing to do is to give us a call so that we can look at the paperwork. That being served with some civil litigation is complicated. Whoever drafted it probably used a lot of complicated legal words. There are deadlines that you need to keep. And so call us as soon as you have been served so that we can help you meet the deadlines that you need to meet and give you the help that you need.
And so you're talking about deadlines. So what's one of the main deadlines that always comes up when you've been served with a complaint?
The first deadline is replying to the complaint. You always want to make sure that you reply to the complaint, because if you don't, then the court could say that all of the allegations made against you are true. And you have 30 days to respond to a complaint against you. So you want to make sure that you call us with enough time to respond within that 30 days. We can help you get an extension for that time, but if you don't call us within that first 30 days, then you're going to lose some rights.
And that's 30 days from when?
30 days from the day you were served.
Okay, so not the file date, but the day you got it in the mail.
Right.
And what would you say, like, let's say somebody waited maybe a couple of days to contact us. You talked about how it's important to call us early so that we can help draft an answer. How long would you typically say attorneys need to draft an answer and reply to a complaint?
Some of that depends on how complicated the complaint is, but even for the most simple complaints, given our workload, it's going to take at least a week from the time that we meet you to the time that we have a finished product ready for you to sign and send to the courts. So it's important to call early because it may even take a week or so to get in and have an appointment with us. So it's really important to call as soon as you are served.
And one question we get a lot is, even though I've been served, is there still a potential for this to get negotiated? And what would your answer be to that?
There's always a potential to negotiate. As a matter of fact, most cases that are filed against individuals or corporations are settled out of court. So there are different rules that we have and different laws in place that require negotiation, require mediation before you go to trial. So the state of North Carolina really encourages people to work things out before going to court.
So would you suggest that it's a good idea to start thinking about what you want when you get a complaint before they come speak with us, like that time frame before their appointment?
Absolutely. When it comes to being served with a civil complaint, usually the person making the complaint against you wants one thing, and they have a position on it, and you have a position that's completely different. They might think you owe them $100,000. You might think that you owe them $0. But there may be somewhere in the middle that we could come up with a solution that works for everyone.
Right, and those are definitely important things to know, especially because we get so many calls about them. So we appreciate you coming on the show to help us answer those questions for our potential clients. We thank you for joining us on this episode of Judica County at Home. And if you find yourself in need of legal assistance with general civil litigation or any area of law, give us a call at 919-772-7000 or contact us via our website at wh.lawyer. Again, we are Whitaker and Hamer, your law firm for life.